Welcome all. In this video, let us see how to obtain the restriking voltage from the given line voltage and the system parameters. The question is, for a 132 kV system, the reactance and the capacitance up to the location of the circuit breaker is 3 ohms and 0.015 microfarad. So what are we supposed to find? The frequency of the transient oscillation, the maximum value of the restriking voltage across the circuit breaker contacts, and what is the maximum value of RRRV. RRRV is rate of rise of restriking voltage. Rate of rise of restriking voltage. Now first, given this, we will write down what are the parameters specified in the question. So first, the given data is the line value of the voltage, which is 132 kV. So write VRMS is 132 kV and the capacitance is 0.015 microfarad and the reactance, inductive reactance is 3 ohms. So with these three parameters given, we have to obtain the frequency, restriking voltage and rate of rise of restriking voltage. So to find the frequency of oscillation, the formula used is Fn equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. C is specified in the question, but L is not given. We know the inductive reactance, which is equal to 3. So we use the formula XL equal to 2 pi FL. So what is L? L is equal to XL by 2 pi F. So we substitute XL is 3 divided by 2 pi into F is 50. So what is the value of L? L is 0.00954 Henry. This is the value of L. So substituting that in this, that is 1 by 2 pi root 0.00954 into, what is the value of C? C is 0.015 micro. So we get Fn as 13.29 Hz. This is the value of Fn. Next is to find the maximum value of the restriking voltage. To find the maximum value of the restriking voltage, first we write down the formula of restriking voltage, which is restriking voltage Vc is equal to Vm into 1 minus cos omega n into t. So the maximum value of restriking voltage occurs when this omega n into t is equal to pi. So what is cos pi? Cos pi is minus 1. So 1 minus of minus 1 gives us 2. So Vc is equal to 2 Vm. This is nothing but the maximum value of the restriking voltage. Maximum value of restriking voltage. So what is Vm? VRMS is given, which is 132 kV. So we have to multiply that by root 2 so that we get maximum value, and we need it for per phase, so divided by root 3. So the maximum value of restriking voltage BC is nothing but equal to 2 Vm. So this 132 K is RMS value into root 2. If we multiply, we get the maximum value. Divide by root 3, it is for the per phase. So what is the value of Maximum value free striking voltage, it is 215.56 kV. That is how we get. Last one is to obtain the maximum value of RRRV. What is RRRV? It is the rate of rise of restriking voltage. So rate of rise of restriking voltage can be obtained by differentiating the expression of restriking voltage. To know how do we obtain the maximum value of RRRV, please check my video on derivation of restriking voltage and frequency of transient oscillations. So this value comes out to be omega n into Vm, where omega n is 2 pi Fn. It depends on the transient oscillations into Vm. So if we substitute, we get 2 pi into Fn. We have already calculated, which we have got it as 13.29 kilohertz. Okay, into Vm. Vm is 132 kV into root 2 divided by, for purpose, it is root 3. So if we calculate this, this comes out to be around 9.01 kilovolt per microseconds. So this is the maximum value of RRRV. So the next video we will see the numericals on resistance switching.